My friends, the hunt is over. This is a deer head I made out of barnwood in about an hour. Now I'm going to show you how to make one. I found these 3 pieces of barnwood in our scrap pile. This is going to become the deer head, this is going to become the deer antlers, and then this is going to be our mount. The beauty of this barnwood deer head is that you can make it as big as you want to, and you can make it as specific you want to. All you need is a sketch pad and a little creativity. Step 1, sketch a deer head, antlers, and base on paper. Okay, so once you have the design of your head and your antlers, you're going to cut them out, and those are going to be your templates. This is the antler. I'm going to trace it out on this 2x4. So now we've got our outlines traced on the barnwood. It's time to do some cutting, and my tool of choice is a jigsaw. All right, the jig is up, and now it's time to do a little light sanding around the edges, and if you can, try to take off your trace marks. Once you get your mounting base cut out, you'll need to take a piece of 1x4, and then you'll need to glue it or screw it onto the back so you'll have a place to mount your hooks. So, now I'm going to take a 3-inch screw. I've already drilled my pilot holes. Okay, so the head has been mounted to the base. Now it's time to put the antlers on. In order to do that, you're going to need to drill a pilot hole in the antler. Take my 3-inch screws, make it all happen. Now it's time to put the mounting bracket on and hang it on the wall. And now I'd like to introduce you to a dear friend of mine, Bucky.